Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see how we can perform read and write operation on a MS Word document using OpenRPA. So here is my OpenRPA and I have already created a sample MS Word file which has some dummy content in it, and we are going to perform operations on the same. Let's go back to our OpenRPA, and here in the sequence we are going to add an activity called get paragraph. So in this we are going to add the MS Word file which we have created earlier, and in the property window you may notice we have two output variables, count and text. Count is going to return total number of paragraph which is there in your MS Word document, and text would obviously return the text. So let's create the variable and try and retrieve both the things. And I'll press Ctrl K to create the variable. So just to verify, I'm just going to click on variable, and you can see I have two variables now. One is content text, another one is total count, and total count is of integer type. Now to display both the things, I'm going to add another activity, that is show notification. And here I'll just write content text, and another notification. I'll just drag another notification window, and here I'm going to write total. Now as it is an integer, we need to convert it into a string. And we need to remove this tool. Now let's click on play button, and here in your notification you can notice text and the total count. Let's just check out the total number of paragraph which is there in our some problem. Here 1 2 3 4. So this is how you can perform a read operation on your MS Word file. Now there is one more thing. I'm just closing these notifications. In get paragraph you have an option called max results. So where you can limit the number of paragraph which you wanted to retrieve in the output. I can restrict it to 2. I'm just putting a number over here. And now let's run our program. So here you will notice that it has only retrieved our 2 paragraphs. Now to add a paragraph, we have another activity called add paragraph, and in this again you have to select the file in which you wanted to add paragraph, and here you need to pass the text. I'm just writing a simple text over here. And you have to specify the index. So I'm just putting 0 and I'll click on play. So as you may have already noticed that it has added Ellen Zimmerman on to the top of my document, and in a similar way I can change location just by changing the index number. There is one more activity called set paragraph, which will help you to set text along with any existing paragraph. So I'm going to select the file and say I'm just writing index number as 1, and so adjacent to Ellen Zimmerman, I want to write OpenRPA. Now let's run our program. Here. Now one more thing, how to save the document. With that we have close document. Just select the file and make sure that save changes is set true. Click play. Now if we go to our MS Word file, so you can see some poor writing over here, but I hope you have understood the concept. So this is how you can make modification in your MS Word document. In the upcoming videos, we will see how we can perform find and replace in a MS Word document. Stay tuned. Thank you.